Hi guys, so now the next stage, we've got all our ornaments and our glass in our tree. So the next we're going to do the finishing, and we're going to make some ribbons to really fill in the top and to put some ribbons on the way down. So what I'd like to get is two contrasting colors of ribbons and two different sizes, and we just throw them out because then it makes it easier to really work with the ribbons. So then we need a long piece of wire. We use the galvanized wire, cut a long piece. And then we lay the ribbons not straight on top of each other, we overlay them sideways. And then you really pleat them in, like so. And with our wire, we leave one end, a shorter one, which we only use at the end. And we twist around and always keep that really tight. So then with our ribbons, we're going to make 3 loops, like one. And really wire it, keeping it tight. The next loop again, same size. Again, we wire around, keeping the ribbon always flat. And our last loop, and then we pleat that in, and we wire it really tight. Then we twist with the first shorter wire we had left. We twist that off. Then we just cut out 2 wires the same length, which we're going to wire into the tree. Trim the ribbons off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few in the top to really make like a top bow. These you can fluff out. Like so, and using our wire, we just attach it into the tree. And then really open it out. Like so. And these ones are already pre-made these, but then we're really going to fill it in to make a huge bow. Again, we just wire those in and fluff them out. Another one. Again, filling in the gaps. Blend them in. Then we have some more, all the same, but then now I'm going to bring them down in the tree. Wiring them in. And again, really open them out. On here. Make sure you wire them in really tight. Okay, so now we have our ribbons in. So guys, that's a really quick, easy way to make a quick tree. See you again.